I'll show you how to change the wallpaper on your laptop or desktop running Windows 10 or Windows 11. 1. Right-click anywhere on your desktop. 2. Select Personalize from the context menu. Now, click on the background option in the left-hand menu. You'll see 3 choices for your wallpaper: Picture, Solid Color, Slideshow. If you choose Solid Color, simply pick a color and it will be applied as your background immediately. As you can see, the desktop updates with your selected color. If you go with the Picture option, you can choose from the default Windows wallpapers, or click Browse to select any image from your computer. After selecting your desired image, click Choose Picture, and your wallpaper will be updated. Lastly, the Slideshow option lets you select a folder with multiple images. Windows will automatically cycle through them based on the time interval you set, giving your desktop a dynamic background. And that's it. That's how you can easily change the wallpaper on your laptop. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.